Mentakas ngi ka chpotri unai weng aja apsan tirang ba ka jelau kon ke sang mau le jingo ye ka than Amlarem hak bala Krih ban pe ye jing yat ki kam ki jam ha ka te ka than o le jingo ye ging tre ye ka PHC hajaran ke badang yat ka jing sina ban kenteu ka dan sya ka sub divisional hospital par wa pen pau ye ka jing kemen ban yo iya ba ki kam ga yat state tang ba la pha Plie ro ya ha unong sumal khasi ba tareng man lamat ya ka Ophis mai ka block integrated development complex ha Amlarem menta ka sngi ha ka ni sngi rang kar em ka than ba ro menteri sokar ba la ka men lemboi Conrad ole jingo ro ya ka jing ya ka jing trai ka school ikalep ya model residential school ha lat khur Amlarem block West Jangahir bat rabtha ay kontraktor bakin Pinstead ia kajing tray knang bak school country kam no Snem uban sawan ajar khan reu ajar apun reu shu la oleh pe ru yak jing ya kajing sna ya Madan Phutbol plastik ha Amlarem hakani ka singim prang ba wai slok ru malkhmat bar ki paj ba hor ki jing don kam jong ki dan do ka umbam umdi ka puli puthi ko ki khia kalanti ka sengking ka boarding ki kam kamai ka ji bar kiwe ki biadai ban kentiu bar kilong kemi ula ai ru sipholak naga CM SDRF ban sna ya ka Ophis ka cluster level federation yang ka women self help group ha Amlarem kumju hakani ka singim trang ba ula Plie ru ya ka Jingrakhe sedang ya ka jingdap san Snem ne ka jublik siara ka Amlarem civil subdivision
No.
Let's go out there. Let's go. Come. Okay. Smile.
Where is engineer?
Now here where the PHC was here in Jingrakhe in Amlarem, and as you can see, this has been now upgraded into a civil a subdivision hospital, and the work is going on, and construction is going on at full pace. So we're very hopeful that this will also be completed very soon. Thank you so much.
Doctor.
That we need approval. We sending to the government, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. You prepare all the visa.
You want to anything else? Yeah.
They wanted me to give it to you. We have only talked with the son, the car.
I'll take it later. This is from the medical health department.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, we can just walk and then. By when will the whole thing be
Where is
complete?
engineer?
Engineer? By when will this be complete fully? By February, no? Okay. Good.
अभी क्या क्या बाकी है?
अभी starting up simplest and rubber on gather
तो ये अच्छा करता है ना?
I'll just take a video from this side. Now we are here in the Amlarem subdivisions association football field, and this ground is, as you can see, this is the project of the artificial turf that is going on, and it has come out really well. There are many such projects going on throughout the state, and we expect that this should be complete and we should be able to start having the football matches by March of 2026. So it's a great project, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work out here. Thank you so much. 1, 2. That's same structures everywhere. All the separate things have got their own rooms now. Good. So you'll start functioning from here soon?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have fixed. We have functions, so we have got to see for this.
It's okay.
Now we will go just visit to office.
Distinguished guests, first and foremost, we welcome our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad.
Yeah. One photo.
ये रखे दो
But in spite of that,
After return only he started taking indoor and started for delivery after 2021. Before it was just like that. So it was inaugurated in 1981. Now we have the highest number of this here in the whole subdivision. How many? I believe 30 every month. And even IPD how much? OPD we cross even 200.
so by when will this be completed?
Correct. Project will be on July 2026. Just 2 months here. Started 2024.
P1 is that the 12th of November 2026. The
Telegram juga. Telegram.